What's happening, everyone? Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, let's get it. Here's why Bitcoin price is looking at an eye-popping bull run. Hackers stole $40 million worth of Bitcoin from one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges. The New York Attorney General sued a Bitcoin exchange for allegedly hiding its insolvency. The Chinese government hinted that it would ban Bitcoin mining operations, but none of these adverse events could stop the cryptocurrency from rising above $6,000. The BTC USD instrument on Thursday reached its 2019 high levels towards $6,096, its highest in 2019. The price action helped the pair reclaim a psychological target at $6,000, which had a strong probability of deflecting the Bitcoin uptrend. But with the level now broken to the upside, the Bitcoin market proved that it was resilient to the adverse effects taking place around it. Instead, it was focusing on long-term bull factors, such as the one aroused by Fidelity Investments. The Fidelity factor pumped Bitcoin. The Boston-based asset management firm, which is famous among its peers at Wall Street, announced that it would buy and sell Bitcoin for its clients within a few weeks. The announcement went to the wire on May 6th, the day when Bitcoin price was going through a minor downside correction upon reversal action from 58.46, a session high established 2 days earlier. The news of Binance losing $40 million worth of Bitcoin in the hack went live on March 7th. Nevertheless, the Bitcoin price reacted more to the positive aspect of the day and rose as much as 4.98% on Coinbase. The Bitcoin market thereafter formed two more green candles on the daily time frame to gain 6.45%, indicating that traders were willing to buy the cryptocurrency on the newer highs. And once the candle grew above 6,000, the market confirmed its strongest bullish bias since December 2017. Holders rising. Fidelity's announcement opened a strong Wall Street perspective for Bitcoin. The big institutions so far kept their distance from the cryptocurrency industry, citing lack of regulatory oversights, volatility, and security as main issues. Fidelity itself entered the Bitcoin space as a custodian, the one that would safeguard the cryptocurrency for investors. But the company stayed on the sidelines as far as trading Bitcoin was concerned. Their decision to buy and sell for only institutional and not retail clients hinted that big investors were confident in putting large capital into the cryptocurrency market. That certainly could have kept the retail investors away from any kind of panic sell sentiment. Besides, a $40 million hack, which may or may not turn into a sell order, was still small in comparison to a $107 billion Bitcoin market. In quotes, Fidelity will begin helping institutional clients buy and sell Bitcoin in the coming weeks, said Anthony Pompliano, the co-founder of Morgan Creek Capital. Eventually, every financial services company will do this. If Bitcoin achieved 100 billion plus market cap without institutional interest, imagine what happens when the smart money joins. All right, see, this is more of, again, the idea, the the feeling of what's going around, of what I've sort of been trying to convey to everyone as far as my viewers in relating to Bitcoin. And you see, people are saying, there's always going to be opposing groups, opposing views, but Bitcoin is something that's gaining the attention of large institutional investors, quote unquote, smart money. They're ready to trade, to buy and sell this thing. They are ready to, here it is in a nutshell. This is something that already, was reported earlier this week, by Fidelity. On May 6th, this was reported, but I'm just sharing amidst all the issues that came out, with the whole Bitfinex, Tether, Leo coin issues or whatever, fundraising and $850 million Tether issues, amidst the Binance hack, 7,070 or above 7,000 coins hacked, and that just didn't even matter to the market as a whole. It didn't even have an adverse effect. People didn't start dumping Bitcoin. In fact, when Fidelity came with their news, people still believe in Bitcoin, and the price is going up. Now it's upwards of $6,149, last I checked. So, people, it's about information. I'm sharing information, and it's about pure and simple gaining the data, understanding what this whole thing is about, and making the best decision that you see fit for yourself. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment or any ideas. Like, share, subscribe. Take it easy.